Let's do this. 4 problems. Number 1, they're not like terms, but we can break this down. 4 and 5, which is 2 square root of 5. 600, we're going to put a minus there before I forget, is 100 times 6, which is 10 square root of 6. I don't have any like terms yet. 125, don't forget the minus, is just 25 times 5. And that's 5 square root of 5. Here's some like terms. So 2 square root of 5 minus 5 square root of 5 is negative 3 square root of 5, and this thing just comes along for the ride. So there's your answer. Let's go on to number 2. Binomial times a binomial. Got to FOIL it. I don't know if I've taught you the FOIL yet, but when you have conjugates, you don't need to go outside, inside, because outside and inside will cancel every time, if you notice that they're conjugates. Because we get x squared of 10 plus negative x squared of 10. That's just the way it is. So we can just, so x times x is x squared. A negative times a positive is negative. Square root of 10 times the square root of 10 is the square root of 100, which is just 10. Or the roots just fly out, however you want to look at it. What do we got here? Well, remember, we only care about getting that radical out of the denominator. So we're going to multiply that thing by its conjugate. The tendency is to look here and start canceling, but don't do that. Remember, 8 plus 2 over whatever, 2 plus 11, because they're separated by addition, you can't start this, you just can't do that. Remember, if it's like this, factor, 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 then it's okay. Anyways, we got minus and minus, you can't start dicing things up. You got to take care of the problem, and the problem was radical in the denominator. So there's the conjugate. And I got to do the same thing to the top, because whatever I add has to equal to 1. In the bottom, if you notice you have conjugates, you can just flip. So 2 times 2 is, I'll put the bottom here, 4. And then outside, inside, they would cancel. So I get a negative times a positive, which is negative. The roots fly off. 3, love it. That's just equal to 1. Love it when the denominator is 1. But here comes the pain in the butt. These are not conjugates, so you have to FOIL. So 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times the square root of 3 is 5 square root of 3. 2 times negative 2 square root of 2 is negative, or 2 times negative square root of 2, I think I just said that, 2 square root of 2. Let's slide that over, make that longer. And careful, we got a negative times a positive, negative. Water and water can mix. And now I look for common denominators. I know there's a 1 down there. Not common denominators, like terms. And I look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. I don't have any. So my answer is this, all over 1. So that's it. Done. There's no like terms. Sometimes that happens. That's it for your sample problems. Good luck on your homework.